Guys, welcome back to Crafty Q. So today's video is how I just decorated for our very first Thanksgiving in our home. So we are hosting Thanksgiving for the first time for our family, and we're going to have about 30 plus guests coming, and I wanted to make it feel extra special since again it is our very first time hosting it in our new home. I say new, but we've been here for about a year, so it's not quite new, but it is the first time that we are doing this. All right, so I'll take you around the room to show you, what I did as far as the decorations. So right here we have the orange satin tablecloths. They are so nice. I got these from, I believe, Tablecloth Factory. I also got the matching satin chair ties. The actual chair covers, I believe I just got them from Amazon. And we have the gold charger plates. If you guys watch, some of my other videos, you'll notice that I use these all the time. So yeah, I got these from Dollar Tree. So one of my favorite places. The napkin rings are actually silver napkin rings from the Dollar Tree, and then I just added the gold bling. It's kind of hard to tell that they're gold because of my lighting, but they are gold to match everything else. We have the gold. As far as the centerpieces, we have the jars right here that I just glued to the candlestick holders from the Dollar Tree. So both the jars and the candlesticks come from the Dollar Tree. And then I have my gold bling, and I also kind of mix all the centerpieces up. All the jars came from Dollar Tree, and I just kind of made them a little different just to give the table a little more pizzazz, I guess you should say. And then the flowers I got from Amazon. These flowers I'm starting to like a whole lot. They come from Amazon, and they are the flowers that have like a bendable stick, so I can kind of like shape them the way I want to. Don't like to use the styrofoam balls all the time. They actually are quite expensive, so I just kind of form my own little bouquets using these flowers because it is pretty easy to do so. As far as my middle centerpiece, I have another video if you guys want to see how I actually put this together. But again, this was mostly created from Dollar Tree items. It was very easy to do, very simple. And again, I have my foam flowers in the top. Only thing I might add, if I have enough time, which I don't think I do, and my Dollar Tree never has anything that I really want. But they have push lights that they saw at the Dollar Tree, and I want to actually put those in the vases just so my vases light up. But if not, I think it's still okay. But I have different jars of different heights, and I think it all came together pretty well. These jars were here, they're empty just because the day of Thanksgiving, which I'm still not finished doing everything just yet, and these jars are here. I'm going to add some water, and I have like the floating candle lights that I'm going to actually put in those. And over here, because it's Thanksgiving, everyone's going to want to watch the game, so we're going to watch the game here. We have our uplighting right here. So the uplights I have, they're pretty basic. It says that you can change the color, so I was trying to do like an orange color, but it didn't work. It's not the color orange that I want, but I think the white is still okay since we do have the white chair covers and the white flowers. And so for on the charger plates, so normally when I host parties, I like to get like all the matching items. So I would have gotten the satin napkins, but it's just easier just to get a pack of paper napkins and to fold them and do this. It still looks pretty cute. It's a whole lot cheaper, and my family does not mind at all. And they actually don't like using my satin napkins. They keep saying they're just too nice to use, so they actually prefer, the paper napkins when we have dinner parties here. And I think it still looks pretty cute, the way that we have it shaped right here. So it works out. And what else do we have? So over here we have, my family loves taking photos. So I always have to have a backdrop whenever we do something. So this is the backdrop that I came up with. If you guys are interested in seeing how I created this backdrop, which is very quick and easy, just put your comments below and I'll go ahead and do a tutorial how I did it. Again, this was very simple. And over here, which is not quite finished, but I'll still show you guys, it is our dessert table. For Thanksgiving, my family loves to bake, so we have a lot of desserts. So I do have this 8-foot table right here. And then I took some gold sequin table runners and I just laid them this way. Just added 3 to the table just to give it that sparkle. And I have my charger plates. I'm going to stick some goodies. I'm going to make some of the dessert buffet goodies tomorrow, and I'll show you guys what I actually make and how I do it. The curtains right here at the top, the sequin curtains I got from Amazon. The orange ties right here are same, or actually my chair ties. And I thought just to kind of tie it all in, use the chair ties to tie into the curtains. And then I have my sparkle light curtain back here, which I pretty much keep up for every event. I never take this thing down. I just love it. Oh, I forgot to mention on the actual table, I have the brown satin table runners. So I do have those on the table as well. So that's it, you guys. I'm so excited to be able to host Thanksgiving for my family. I hope they really like the setup. It was so much fun to do. I love the colors of the orange and brown and gold accents. I think it came together pretty well. So this setup, not only, like, I'm using it for Thanksgiving, but I mean, if you're having like a fall dinner party, a fall wedding, I think this would be like a great setup for that. And it was pretty budget friendly, especially since I used a lot of the items from Dollar Tree to get this set up. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And I will talk to you guys in the next one, and happy holidays. Take care.